Now let me do this integral by three methods. And now the first method is obvious that I break up this integral into two. So the first one is ex over 1 plus cosine x dx. And the other one is ex sine x over 1 plus cosine x dx. Okay, and the first integral then change into I change it to what? Change it to e to the x dx 2 cosine square half x, isn't it? And the second integral is e to the x. This is a 2 cosine square half of x. And the numerator is equal to 2 sine half x cosine half x dx. Yeah. So the first one becomes 1 half and e to the x times cosecant square half x. And the second one plus 2 cancel out, cosine cancel out, becomes tangent, right? It's tangent half x dx. Yeah. This one is equal to 1 half secant square half x. Now this one I can do by parts, right? This is equal to tangent half x and the d e to the x. And this one equal to 1 half x e to the x secant square half x dx. Now this is by parts, right? So this is plus udv, because v u minus integral v du. V is this, du is secant square half x times half. Let me leave half outside, and the dx. So this one cancel with that one, right? So left over ex tangent half x from 0. So this is e to the half pi. So this is equal to square root e to the, well, good, very good for method 1. Now method 2. Integral from 0 to half pi ex 1 plus sine x dx 1 plus cosine x. Now the second method is I start with this. This one is equal to the ex. I don't want okay, e to the x. This would be 2 cosine square half of x. This is equal to sine half x plus cosine half x square dx. This is square plus this is square is 1. The midterm 2 sine cosine is equal to sine x. So it's good. Perfect. Then I take 1/2 out and ex. This time I don't forget this. And this will be okay. I don't jump. Okay, this is sine half x plus cosine half x over cosine half x square. Yeah, it's better not jumping. Yeah, this one equal to 1/2 integral e to the x. This over this is tangent. This over this is 1. So it's 1 plus tangent half x squared dx, right? Yeah, this equal to 1/2. And e to the x times 1 plus 2 tangent half x plus tangent square half x dx. Yeah. Then this one equal to 1/2. 1 plus this is secant, right? E to the x times secant square of x. That is this plus this. And in the midterm, times half becomes e to the x tangent half x dx. Yeah, good. Now then come back as like method 1. This is x secant square half x dx. And this one by parts, right? Tangent half x dx. Yeah, this one equal to half e to the x secant square x half x dx. This one by parts, right? This is e to the x tangent half x 0 to pi minus v du. V is this. Du is a secant square half x dx times half from 0 to half pi. So this one cancels with that one. So I end up with e to the x tangent half x from 0 to pi. So it's the same thing as, okay, this is method 2. Method 3. Method 3, 0 to half pi e to the x, the 1 plus sine x, 1 plus cosine x. Now method 3, I think is the best method. This is equal to e to this one. This is a 2 cosine square half x. This is a 1 plus 2 sine half x and the cosine half x. Okay, good. So this one is equal to e to x. And the first one is this over this, right? This is secant, 1/2 secant square half x. That is this one. The second one, no, I don't write this way. Let me rewrite. Okay, let me reorganize. I try to express in a way that is more easily acceptable. So this, let me write this way. Okay. The first one is a 1/2 e times x times secant square half x. That is this one, right? That is this over this times this one. And plus, to cancel out, e to the x, cosine cancel out. Another cosine becomes tangent. Tangent half x. Yeah, that is no ink. Okay, that is better, easy, more clear, to accept in a way. Okay, and then this one, this is equal to, this is e to x times half tangent half x derivative. This derivative is a 1/2 secant square x, okay, plus e to the x derivative times tangent half x. Yeah, and then dx. Okay, good. So this derivative times this plus this derivative times that, that is a product rule. The product rule. The product of a two function, one is e to the x, which is, the other one is tangent half x. That's it. This derivative is this. This derivative is this. Together is a product rule. So it's end up with e to the x. Yeah, that is a better method. Okay, I hope you like it. Thank you.